is known as the major biritera. Kaya sinasabi ko sa'yo from the beginning, kaya gumawa ka ng sarili mong sound. Gusto ko lang marinig si Angeline na kumanta ng, meron namang birit sa dulo, pero sa umpisa malambot kasi love song. And it was the one and only na I was so privileged to be able to sing, record originally as my own song. The only collaboration between the late great George Canseco and Louie Ocampo. Ang lahat build up ako bigla ng aking galaw. Although she's improved a lot, ang isang weakness ni Angeline is medyo shy pa rin. She has to perform for the audience better.
I couldn't feel that you were one yet with the song. When you sing the song, you have to make everybody feel it, that you're feeling it as well.
Remember, you control your song.
Don't make it control you. Sing with your heart.
Kahit na hindi ko pa po siya masyadong alam, alam ko naman po na kapag sa performance, pag talagang pinaghandaan ko po, makakanta ko naman ng maayos.
Kumanta lang ikaw. Ayan naman. Okay, Judge Billy.
Hi, Angeline. Isa lang masasabi ko sa'yo. You're like Mega's cake. Sweet and smooth. It is so good and so nice to hear. So, thank you very much for your rendition of Mega's song.
That's cause my baking teachers.
It's very good.
Thank you. Direk Bobot.
Ako naman, natutuwa ako kay Angeline kasi ngayon nakikita ko yung unti-unti nagkakaroon na siya ng personalidad. Tsaka yung karakter niya na nabubuo na. So, ipagpatuloy mo yan. Kaya maraming mga taong nakaka-relate sa'yo. So, napakagaling mo.
Thank you po, Sir Bobot.
Okay, anong feeling mo sa kinanta mo, anak? Gumaganda ka lalo. Pumapayat ka. Anong feeling mo sa
Hindi po kasi Ma'am Sharon, totoo po.
Ma'am na naman.
Mama Sharon po.
Okay, ma'am.
Ito pong kantan to talaga dinededicate ko po talaga sa mama ko kasi simula pagkabata ko po, ito na po talaga yung kanta ko sa kanya.
Napaka-sweet namang anak nito. Yan kay mama. Thank you, anak. Great job. As usual. Next po ang sweet and sexy siren, si Akiko.